Hello, this is my robotics and electronics class. Today I have my project with two LEDs and a push button. Here's my code. The first thing that I had to do was assign my integers, which in this case would be my counters and my buttons. And then in my void setup, I have my inputs and my outputs, which are my two outputs, my two LEDs, and my input LED. I mean the push button. And in the void loop I have the instructions. So if button is high, in this case the button, it's 0, nothing's gonna happen. If counter is pressed 1, then one light will turn on and the other won't. And when pressed twice, you have both LEDs turn on, and with a delay of 200, waits for 1/5 of a second, it then resets itself in the beginning. And this is my breadboard. I don't know how I set it up. Have my resistors going to my LED so they don't burn out. Have my push button getting 5 volts from the positive line and connecting my resistor to one of the corners, and one of the inputs to the other side as well, right here. And yeah, this is my project. So here we go. Press it once. Oops. Uploading. Nothing's gonna happen. Press it once. One light turns on. Press it twice, both of them, and it already resets itself after the third. Thank you.